In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Webflow AI. We'll begin right inside Webflow. From your account, head to your Sites area and open the dashboard. This is the home base where you can create and manage everything. Once you're there, look for the New Site button. Click it to start the creation flow. You'll see a screen that asks you to select a way to get started. This is where Webflow offers different paths for building a site, including templates and AI-assisted options. Before we dive in, there's something important to note. If you're on the Starter Workspace plan and already have 2 unhosted sites, you may see a message saying you've reached the limit. Go ahead and click that message to view the details. It simply means your current plan caps the number of unhosted projects you can create. If that notice appears again, click it once more to confirm the limitation. To move forward with a new unhosted project, choose Upgrade Workspace. This takes you to the plan options, so you can increase your site limit. On the Plans page, select the For In-House Teams category. This section lays out business-focused tiers with higher limits and collaboration features. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, so you pick the level that fits your needs today and gives you room to grow. Pricing and features can change, so always rely on the on-screen details at the time you upgrade. Once your plan is set, return to creating your site. Click Select a way to get started again. Depending on your connection or recent changes, you might need to click it a second time to refresh the options. If it still doesn't load right away, try one more click. The builder choices should appear. Now choose AI Site Builder. This is the streamlined path that uses Webflow's AI to jumpstart your site. The AI Builder will guide you through generating a structure and design based on your input. To get the most out of it, have a clear 1- or 2-sentence description of your business or project, any key pages you know you'll need, and your brand colors or tone in mind. You're not adding steps here, just preparing your thoughts so the AI produces a stronger first draft. That's it for getting into Webflow's AI Builder from the dashboard, handling the site limit message, upgrading when needed, and launching the AI flow. Follow the prompts you see next in the AI Builder, and you'll have a solid foundation to refine inside Webflow's designer. If you found this helpful, you're ready to start building